Welcome everyone. Today we're going to continue with the same chapter, playing with numbers. And our last subtopic is relationship between HCF and LCM. So let's start the lesson. What is HCF and LCM? HCF stands for the highest common factor and LCM stands for the least common multiple. The HCF is the greatest factor of two numbers or more than two numbers, which divides the number exactly with no remainder, whereas the LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by the given numbers exactly. We already learned how to find out HCF by listing method, factorization method, long division method, and real life applications. LCM by common multiple method, prime factorization method, common division method, and real life applications. What is the relationship between HCF and LCM? The product of LCM and HCF of the natural numbers is equivalent to the product of the given number. If we want to find the HCF of 24 and 36, we will use the prime factorization method. So on the left, you can see the prime factor. So when we multiply those, 2 into 2 into 3, we'll get 12. And if we want to find the LCM of 24 and 36, so the LCM is 72. So the HCF of the number into LCM of the number is 12 into 72, which is equal to 864. And the product of the numbers is 24 into 36, which is equal to 864. We will still continue to learn about the relationship between HCF and LCM. The LCM of the given co-prime numbers is equal to the product of the numbers, since the HCF of co-prime numbers is always 1. So the prime factors of 17 and 23 are 17 into 1 and 23 into 1. The HCF in 17 and 23 is equal to 1. And the LCM of 17 and 23 is equal to 17 into 23, which is equal to 391. So the HCF of the numbers into LCM of the numbers is equal to 1 into 391, which is equal to 391. The product of the numbers is 17 into 23, which is also equal to 391. Now we will learn to find out the HCF when LCM and two numbers are given. Example, the LCM of two numbers is 336 and the two numbers are 56 and 48. We have to find the HCF. To find out the HCF, we know that the HCF of two numbers into LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the given two numbers. So the LCM of two numbers is 336 and both the numbers are 56 and 48. Applying the relationship between HCF and LCM, we get HCF into LCM, which is the product of both numbers. So HCF into 336 is equal to 56 into 48. So to find out the HCF, we will first multiply 56 into 48 and then divide it by 336, which is equal to 8. So therefore, the HCF of 56 and 48 is 8. Now we will learn to find out the LCM when HCF and two numbers are given. We'll learn by an example. The HCF of two numbers is 8 and two numbers are 56 and 48. Find the LCM. To find out the LCM, we know that HCF of two numbers into LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of both numbers. HCF of two numbers is 8 and both the numbers are 56 and 48. Applying the relation between HCF and LCM, we get HCF into LCM, which is equal to product of both numbers. So 8 into LCM is equal to 56 into 48. To find out the LCM, we'll first have to multiply 56 and 48 in brackets and then divide it by 8, which is equal to 336. Therefore, the LCM of 56 and 48 is 336. Now we will learn to find out the first number when LCM, HCF and the second number is given. We'll learn by an example. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 8 and 336 respectively. If one of the numbers is 56, find the other number. To find out the other number, we know that HCF of two numbers into LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of both the numbers. HCF of two numbers is 8. The LCM of two numbers is 336 and one of the number is 56. Applying addition between HCF and LCM, we get HCF into LCM, which is equal to the product of both the numbers. 8 into 336 is equal to 556 into other number. So to find out the other number, first we will multiply 8 into 36 into brackets and then divide it by 56. We get 48 as the answer. Therefore, first number is 48. So, what did we learn today? Today we learned the definition of HCF and LCM with examples, relationship between LCM and HCF, of natural numbers with example and co-prime numbers with example. To find out the HCF when LCM and two numbers are given, find out the LCM when HCF and two numbers are given, and find out one number when LCM, HCF and the second number is given. So if you guys like the video, please like, share, subscribe and hit on the notification bell to get more notifications when I upload more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.